Other options that you can put in your green bean casserole, you can do a half a cup of chopped red pepper just to make it a little bit more festive. You can also add 1 cup of cheddar cheese, or you can add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, whichever you would prefer if you want any of those, just for the added flavor. For the measuring stuff that you're going to need, you're going to want to have a 1 cup measuring cup, a 3/4 cup measuring cup, and a 1/3 cup measuring cup. These are for the ingredients. We'll go over that later on. We'll need a spatula for the cream of mushroom, a stirring spoon to stir up all the ingredients, a can opener to open the green beans. This will be our mixing bowl to mix all of the ingredients, and then this is our cookware to go ahead and cook the casserole in. It's around a 2 to 3 quart casserole dish, and it's going to be serving about 6 people.